What's up, YouTube? It's Discount Trailer Guys. Just installed a 3-ton hydraulic dump bed on this pickup that a customer brought in. We did 4 foot tall, air chute up in the top brace for stability, square tube frame, subframe channel, LED lighting, custom built their bumper right here, super heavy duty hinges for the box, greasable hinges for the barn doors. Have a custom ladder right here. Show you how that works. Sorry, it's kind of dark on this side, but that's our ladder right there. Get this thing. Got a few cows over here too. Those aren't for sale. Let me show you the inside. You got 14 gauge sides, 12 gauge floor, all painted. We also got the cam lock system right here. There you go, put your lock. So let's show you guys how this thing works right here. So you got the power up and power down option on this pump. Do about 45-degree angle on this one with the scissor lift system right here. Make sure all the hoses are routed, no rubbing, no nothing. Here's our pump. We manufacture these boxes for any utility vehicle, truck, Isuzu pickups, any pickup we can make it work. So let's go down. These are great for landscaper guys, so if anyone out there needs a box, we can get some built for them. Reach us at 602-317-9574, Phoenix area. Let us know.